In this video, we are going to talk about 4 types of training, which are necessary to train you into a good genotherapist. In my last video, I told you that you cannot become a herbalist or a genotherapist by studying one herbs after another. In my future talks, herbalist and genotherapist mean the same thing here. When I say herbs, it includes all our products like RGGL or the mushroom powder, liamans, cordyceps, poria, and even the pearl powder. All are under herbs in my training. Many people ask me to give them the product knowledge so that they can study the products to become a genotherapist. If you study from one product to the other, you will become a grasshopper. Hopping from one product to the other, you will not become a genotherapist. To become a real herbalist or genotherapist, you need to go through 4 types of training. 3 how and 1 what. How to diagnose the health problem. How to treat the health problem. How to formulate the treatment. What products and dosage to use for the formulations. To sum it simply, the 4 practices are: first, diagnostic; second, treatment; third, formulation; fourth is the products selection. So you see, product knowledge is only 1/4 of the training. Just learning the products alone, you will never become a genotherapist. I do not say product knowledge is not important. It is important indeed, but we have to study it. But by itself is not sufficient. You must know how to diagnose, then how to treat the problem, then formulate the formula for treatment, and in each formula, there are certain products that you selected, and acquire proper knowledge for each product. Let me show you some example. Some asthma patient come to you, then you have to diagnose. Is it a simple asthma or a complicated asthma? If simple asthma, it is only the lungs problem. It only affects the breathing. There is no dropping of hair, waist pains, and weakness of limb and joint. That is kidney problem. And there's no nausea, no acid reflux, no loose motion, and no constipation. That is stomach problem. After see the absence of kidney and stomach symptoms, then you know it is a simple lungs problem. Our body consists of almost 70% of water. So half of your health problem is something to do with water metabolism. There are 3 organs that are important in metabolism. Your stomach system absorbs the water and also discharges the waste through the stool. Then the kidney purifies the water and discharges the waste through urine. Your lungs store the water and slowly release it throughout the body. Water congestion can cause asthma problem. If congested only in the lung, not involve stomach and not involve kidney, then it is a simple asthma. Just RGGL alone can handle the problem. The dosage is dependent on the condition of the body, not related to asthma. Now you diagnose it is a simple asthma. You need to balance back the water metabolism and detox the toxin from the lung. That is the treatment. You need to address the problem. RGGL are sufficient, or you can add cordyceps to strengthen the lung. Then your formulation is RGNGL. That is your formula. After that, you decided on the dosage of RGNGL. The dosage is depending on the body condition. If very serious, go for mega dosage, 30 RGN, 30 GL. If serious, then half mega dosage, 15 RGN, 15 GL. If not too serious, take the maintenance dosage, 6 RGN, 6 GL. For those who are using mushroom powder, 1 spoon of powder, about 5 grams, is equivalent to 3 RGN, 3 GL. So you have gone through the process of diagnosis, treatment, formulation, and products. Other than lung problem, you should observe the patient is he having stomach or kidney disorder? For stomach problem, he may suffer for nausea, acid reflux, sometimes vomit, stomach bloat, pains and indigestions, then either loose motion or constipation. If he is having these symptoms, then you add Morinji and Lion-Man. Because Morinji and Lion-Man are good to regulate the stomach problem. If the patient is suffering for hair loss, weak memory, sometimes feel phobia and fear, pains in the waist, weak in joint and limbs, then you should suspect he is weak in kidney system. Then you add cordyceps and codipine because both are good for kidney system. In this lecture, you know that RGGL are good to regulate the body, good for balancing back the water metabolism. The Lion-Man and Morinji are good for the stomach system. Cordyceps and codipine are good for kidney system, kidney problem. These are rare product knowledge that you can apply in future immediately. Today, just some brief introduction of the basic concept of how to become a good gyno-therapist. We shall go into diagnostic, treating system, formulation of products and herbs, dosage for the products and herbs in separate training. See you all in the next video. Thank you.